going to wonder because...
Right. Well, you see, this theoretically, this can't happen.
Yeah.
Okay?
How are you?
Dan Parsons, famous Hornets.
Right? Oh, absolutely.
Commercial?
Yeah. No problem.
Famous John Gunther just flew in from Gorizia, Italy, from the world champs, to be with us today. And here we have the famous Bob Hamp, who also just flew in from Gorizia, Italy, to be with us on this famous day. And he's brought with him his famous Proctor Newport 28.
Absolutely.
A world-class aircraft.
There it is, right in the cave.
We're going to get it out and look at it here
Yeah,
pretty
we're
soon.
going to get it out shortly.
Bob was kind enough to let me borrow some fuel from him for this meet.
Certainly.
So we're in business now.
It's the least I could have done.
Is that an airplane?
What happens when the engine quits in the air, Bob?
The pilot bails out.
You mean it still flies after the engine quits?
Yes, it still
Ask
flies
him if
after
he's
the
gonna
engine
fly
quits.
today.
Yeah.
Are you going to fly this today, Bob?
I'm not going to test fly today. The contest starts tomorrow.
Now there is a scale engine.
Helmet, all that stuff.
Can you
A master scale engine by Bob Hamp.
To fly?
No, for static jet.
Proctor Newport 28. Fresh from Italy.
Well, you.
It's been a job.
I know. I heard you talk
2 years. I'm reading about it.
Here they are. Master Flyer Hamp and Master Model Manufacturer Dick Heining.
The ultimate. This guy is the ultimate, buddy.
Oh, yeah, come on.
Really.
Luke Proctor can be proud of him, right?
To say the least. He's outdone Lou Proctor.
Oh, no, let's not go that far.
Well, I don't know. Lou did good things, but Dick is certainly right in the same category.
I'll say.
Oh, he stayed up there.
Hey!
Here's Bob's beautiful wife.
You could have gotten one of these.
Miss-
For $55.
Uh-oh. Mrs. Hamp's coming to the Nats this year, but Bob says he's not. Again, a great one, Chuck Fuller. What can we say
That is, Ed. That's a counterbalance.
that we haven't already said?
Forget what they call
Half-cylinder Kenner engine. I'd rather fly.
Here's Don Stroll's entry, the Eindecker. Magnificent aircraft. Of course, it's a World War I, that's why.
Sunday driver with one hand.
Here at 10 a.m. on the flight line tomorrow morning. Mandatory attendance for all pilots, 7:45 a.m. tomorrow morning.
Mr. Scale himself, Harris Lee, Los Angeles, California. Here we have the magnificent B-17 that recreates the Confederate Air Force flyby with one wheel retracted, one down. And these are the fellows from Turner Network doing a report on the Top Gun tournament. He's got four cycles in this little jewel.
Brad? Oh, we get it, yeah.
And he's got over 150 flights on it, at least.
Real nice stuff.
And they say it flies like a dream.
Nice spot down there. Get him out here. Contract here again.
Pine and a pusher.
Yes, the bricks on the inside and one on the outside of the other.
With a porcupine stickers on the
Bob Heitkamp, Juneau, Alaska, with his famous Stuka. This airplane flew at the Las Vegas Scale Masters in 1987. And it's a masterpiece. Super Tiger 2500 with an extension shaft. There it is, Bob Heitkamp.
Juneau, Alaska. Tent and picked up up their score sheets. You can't be static judge without
The cockpit is correct.
Looks like a Thunder Chief or something.
Will the owners of the aircraft which are parked out on the eastmost taxiway up near the runway, please start moving those aircraft out of there so we can
Polish
clear the
glider.
area for flying, gentlemen. Ron Schaefer, please.
Mel Fantmeyer's famous Byron Staggerwing.
This seems to be a son of a bitch to land because they
Took
brought out
top
the air gear and then they
static
brought out the
score
black
at the
gear.
87 Scale Master Championship at Fountain Valley, California.
The trouble with this one, you used to have to put your hand around the column through the wheel. You had the Johnson bar, and the harder you pull the Johnson bar, whatever pedal you step, the rudder. And if you got
That skid's built underneath, they land them with the skirt up.
some of them they had a great big coil spring under that. And in the wintertime where we flew them, the damn spring was big. Oh shit, it was something else.
This has got to be probably the finest aircraft here. English fighter. Magnificent. Unbelievable. Here we have the famous California duo, Lopez and Patel. I think Diego's from Corona. Patel is from Eureka. F6F Hellcats. Again, unbelievable.
would you please remove your aircraft from the runway?
Give that yellow haze. It's a typical material that the fuselage is going to be made out of manufacturing. But that's a little bit different laminate though. That's the black part is graphite.
It tells me that 13's a lucky number for zero again.
And I said, I'm not telling you nobody can spy, and that's it. You know, and then
Bob and Mira, we've got 2 pilots on cam band, but we don't have frequency.
I don't know. Who knows what I'm told? Okay, right
What can we say?
Let me come back.
What can we say? Thunderwood can fly his Russian twin, the first flight of the contest, just a test flight. Whoops.
I had it sitting under a canopy alongside the general public, 38 feet. It's an ugly old airplane. Oh, it's beautiful. It's a pilot's airplane. That's it.
That and the A-10 Warthog are my 2 favorite planes. So if I like the Warthog, I know that I'm an orgasm over this.
You'd love to see my 100-inch door near them.
Oh, really? Oh, don't do this to me. Is this all? This is just your personal stuff.
Beautiful B-26. This is the famous Colonel Art Johnson's B-26.
The military.
Magnificent airplane. Unbelievable.
Well, I don't see that table.
I didn't want to drive here. I didn't want to drive. We'll put it right on the bottom. But the thing is, if you that mess out here, I just didn't want to drive. Well, you're going to go to Wayne's anyway. Right? Halfway in,
Lindsay's ready for takeoff. Abort.
Now bring it more this way.
The roll run is back, that's called the split S. In case you're curious, that's about 1,000 feet right there.
Smile, Bobby. This is Bob Hamp's beautiful Newport 28. Came all the way from Alberta, Alabama to give us a thrill here.
Humongous slow roll vertical, followed by 4 or 5 quick rolls, followed by, I can't see the damn thing anymore.
Say that again?
Anything unique about the documentation you want to talk about?
No, it's all explanatory.
Okay.
Okay, here's Dick in the first round of static judging at the Top Gun. It's a little windy today, but everything is going great. About 45 airplanes in for static judging. We started about 8:30 this morning. Looks like it'll go till about 4 or 4:30. This is Mario Yotterlink's Hurricane. Fabulous airplanes. Soft spot in my heart for the Hurricane. Wayne Stewart from Minneapolis. Wayne took first place at the 88 match for that airplane. Here goes our good friend Bob Ham from Alberta, Alabama. Dr. Newport 28. Here goes Bob.